Welcome to this meditation with Peaceful Wren. Today, we're going to open our hearts through the beautiful practice of loving kindness meditation. This ancient practice helps us cultivate compassion for ourselves and others, creating ripples of kindness that extend far beyond this moment. Find a comfortable position where you can sit with your spine naturally upright. Rest your hands gently in your lap or on your knees. Close your eyes softly, or let your gaze settle downward with a gentle focus. Take a moment to arrive here fully. Notice any thoughts or feelings that are present without judgment. Simply acknowledge them and let them be. Let's begin by connecting with your breath. Breathe in slowly and naturally. And exhale with a soft sigh, releasing any tension you may be holding. Again, inhale gently, and exhale, letting your whole body soften. One more breath in and out, feeling yourself settling into the space of peace and open-heartedness. Now, bring your attention to your heart center, the area in the middle of your chest. You might place one or both hands here if that feels comfortable. This is the place where love lives within you. Begin by offering loving kindness to yourself. This can sometimes feel challenging, but remember that you deserve the same compassion you would offer a dear friend. Silently repeat these phrases, allowing them to flow from your heart. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. May I live with ease. Feel these words not just as thoughts, but as genuine wishes for your own well-being. If your mind wanders, or if offering yourself kindness feels difficult, that's completely normal. Simply return to the phrases with gentleness. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. May I live with ease. Continue sending these loving wishes to yourself for a few more moments. Notice what it feels like in your body to receive this kindness. Now, bring to mind someone you love easily. This might be a family member, close friend, pet, or anyone who brings a smile to your heart when you think of them. See their face in your mind's eye, or simply hold the feeling of them in your awareness. Extend the same loving kindness to them that you offered to yourself. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you live with ease. Feel the warmth of these wishes flowing from your heart to theirs. Love multiplies when we share it. Continue offering these phrases to your loved one. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you live with ease. Beautiful. Now, let's expand our circle of compassion. Bring to mind someone neutral, perhaps someone you see regularly but don't know well. This might be a cashier at a store, a neighbor you wave to, or someone you pass on your daily walks. Remember that this person, like you, wishes to be happy and free from suffering. Offer them the same loving kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you live with ease. Even though you may not know them personally, this person has hopes, dreams, and challenges just like you do. Let your heart embrace them with the same warmth. Continue with these loving wishes. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you live with ease. Now comes perhaps the most transformative part of this practice. Bring to mind someone who's been difficult for you, someone with whom you've had challenges. Start with someone only mildly difficult rather than your most challenging relationship. Remember, this practice is not about condoning harmful behavior, but about freeing your own heart from resentment. This person, despite their faults, also experiences pain and wishes to be free from suffering. See if you can extend some compassion to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you live with ease. If this feels too challenging, you can return to sending loving kindness to yourself or your loved one. There's no force needed here, only gentle intention. When you feel ready, try again with the difficult person. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you live with ease. Notice that extending compassion doesn't diminish you in any way. In fact, it often brings a sense of freedom and lightness. Finally, let's extend our loving kindness to all beings everywhere. Imagine your heart expanding like the sun, radiating warmth and compassion in all directions. To all people in your community, in surrounding areas, across your country, around the entire world. To all creatures great and small, may all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be at peace. May all beings live with ease. Feel yourself as part of this vast web of life, connected to all beings through the shared wish for happiness and freedom from suffering. Continue radiating this boundless love. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be at peace. May all beings live with ease. Rest in this feeling of universal compassion for a few moments. Your heart has the infinite capacity to love and forgive. Now slowly bring your attention back to yourself. Place your hands on your heart and take a deep breath in and out. Feel gratitude for taking this time to cultivate kindness. The compassion you've generated here will continue to ripple outward in ways you may never know. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and carry this loving heart with you into your day. Thank you for practicing with me today. May your day be filled with moments of kindness, both given and received.